Hey guys, it's Nana Love. If you're new here, welcome. If you are not, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a sleek ponytail jumbo braid tutorial, and if you want to see how I got this look, continue to watch. Everything that I use in this video will be linked in the description box below. I won't be doing a lot of talking. My voice is going, so everything that you need to know will be in the description box. Also, you will be seeing dandruff. I do not put gel on clean hair. So this is a braid out, an old braid out that I did a sleek ponytail on because I was going to pack it with gel. So enjoy the video. Is the result of my sleek ponytail jumbo braid tutorial. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell for new videos that are coming up. Thank you for watching. Bye.